Hello, very good evening, my dear boys and girls. I hope you're all doing great. A very warm welcome. If you can hear me and if you can see me very well, let me know in the chat with a thumbs up, with a yo, so that we can get started. Are you all ready? Hello, Najla Salma, welcome. Katuri Vanshika, welcome Vanshika. I'm so happy to see you. Jayvant, welcome man. Raghav, very good evening Raghav, welcome. Manvita is here. Rishabh, welcome Rishabh. So people, today we're going to continue with trigonometric functions and I'm going to teach you the graph of tangent and cotangent. So that is what we're going to do today. Very small chota portion, and with that you will be ready for your basic foundation of trigonometry. Okay. Hello Kaushika, Aishwarya, very good evening. Nice to see you Aishwarya. Shweta, Zayed YouTube. Zayed, welcome man. Great to have you. So people, let's wait for your friends to join and then we will get started. Pramesh, yes Pramesh, 6 o'clock is going to be a very important session for your 12th standard students who are writing your JEE Mains this year. Okay. Haryara Sudan, very good evening. Welcome man. Shruti, very nice to see you Shruti. Welcome back. Great, great. Kannan Vijay is here. Abhishai, so happy to see you in a live class, man. Awesome. I'm happy to have you here. How are you doing? I'm doing great. Yes, Pramesh, we will see at 6 o'clock. So people, shall we get started? Everybody, I hope you're all ready. Let your friends know, let your classmates know that we are going to start our session so that we can have more people here and we can have a very interactive session. Okay. So Shruti, today 6 o'clock mock test. Today 6 o'clock. I hope you saw the channel. Please check it out regularly, Shruti. I told you na, every year we do this for students. Towards the end of your exam, we will keep mock test every day. So check out the channel 6 o'clock today, right after this class. Okay? Fantastic. So, shall we get started, everybody? Fantastic. Let's get into our class. So boys and girls, for all those who are new to this channel, who are seeing me for the very first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Shimon Joseph and I teach mathematics at Vedantu. So I teach for the 11th and 12th standard. So if you are an engineering aspirant, then you are at the right place, because in this channel, we teach you the best quality content in a very easy and fun manner. So we have 3 teachers. We have physics for Shreyas sir, then we have for chemistry, we have Wazim sir, and for maths, you have Shimon sir. So all 3 of us will help you. So please make sure you subscribe, stay tuned to the channel so that you can learn and take away something beautiful from this particular journey that you are having with us. And what is my background? My background, I did my BTech from IIT. So I also prepared like you a few years back. I competed with my friends. I am basically from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and I was in a coaching institute. I'm sure everybody has heard of FIT JEE, right? So I studied in FIT JEE. I prepared and I was able to secure some great ranks. So I got state rank 5 when I wrote JEE Mains. I was a state topper in Tamil Nadu. I cleared KVPY, I cleared Advanced, and even in IIT, I passed out as a gold medalist. So that is my background. And now after that, I have chose teaching as my career because I love interacting with students. I love being your mentor and talking to you all. So if you see my class, it's very interactive. I keep engaging with students because I love that. Okay, that is what makes me happy. So after I got into teaching, yes, I have produced some top ranks. I helped All India rank 38, All India rank 41 in the year 2019. So I was teaching the toppers batch in Vedantu, the toppers batch and the Ekalavya batch. But currently I am here in YouTube because I want to help you guys realize your dream, your goal. I want to motivate you so that you don't give up on it. Many of you are now in 11th. You are at the start of your preparation. This is a very important phase. I want to boost you at the start so that you can continue with a full enthusiasm, full motivation for the next 2 years. Are you all clear? So shall we get started, boys and girls? Everybody, let's get into our session. Yes. Guys, I am doing all right. I'm totally fine. I just don't want to shout too much. So I'm trying to balance my voice so that I don't lose it. Because today I have 3 sessions, I have to maintain it. This is the first session. So that's why I'm speaking a bit soft. It is not my usual voice. Okay, usually I shout a lot. But now I realized after going through a lot of difficulty, now I realize that it's better to talk soft. Okay, so I'm going to talk soft from now on for a few days. Okay. Great. So people, if you like this channel, this is We Enthuse. What is We Enthuse? We Enthuse is a channel where I, Shreyas sir and Wasim sir teach. You are currently watching this video here. This is the English JEE channel. So we teach in English for all the JEE aspirants. So VIT, SRM, BITSAT, any engineering exam, we will support you. So if you are aiming for that, then subscribe, because you guys are in 11th standard. You have a long journey. So we have 2 years time. I want you all to be with me so that I can guide you and help you reach your desired goal or desired target. Okay. Vandavasu Lakshmi, welcome. Selva Kumari, welcome. Zayed, fantastic Zayed. Hello Mohammed Faisal. Mohammed Faisal, very nice to have you. You are also from Chennai. Fantastic. Surya, yes Surya. I am conducting mock test today at 6 o'clock. Please be there, Surya. 6 o'clock today, mock test for JEE Mains. I'll be taking some high quality questions which can come in your exam. So please make sure you attend them and benefit from them, Surya. All the best. Yes, Abhishai. Hello, Mohammad Ishaq. Temina, welcome Temina. Nice to see you here. Anonymous. Yes, welcome Anonymous. Nice to have you here. Great. So people, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share it with your friends. If you are 2021 batch, you have your juniors, let them know that we are doing some fabulous job here. So let them come and benefit from it. Especially if you know someone who wants to learn in English. Because in YouTube, guys, not many channels are in English. Majority are in Hindi or regional language. It will be in Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu and all that. Majorly Hindi. Majorly Hindi. Almost 70, 80, 90% of the channel in YouTube is gonna be Hindi. So that's why if you know someone who wants to learn in English, do suggest them our channel. That would be a great help you're doing for us. Okay, and make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel. So shall we get started? Very good. Hari Ramanaidu, welcome Hari, very nice to see you. Neha, welcome Neha. I am so happy to see you all over here. Great, great, great. Vishesh, I did not schedule it yet, Vishesh. I will do it, don't worry. Tomorrow we'll have a class, Vishesh. I will schedule it today. Got it? Fantastic. Hello, Uma Maheshwari, welcome. Siva Ganesh, welcome man. So people, shall we get started? Are you all ready? Sundar Chai, welcome man. Sundar Chasir, that's a very unique name. Sindhu is also here. So people, how excited are you? Are you all ready? Are you all pumped up with energy? So are you excited like these two ninjas over here? I want everybody to let me know. Because your exam is nearing. 11th and 12th standard students, I hope you're all enjoying the process of learning. You just got into your preparation. I want to talk to you and I want to know what is going on in your mind. So let's have a very interactive class. Today's class is very chota, very small. Okay, so let's try to make the best use of it. Okay, forest fire. Lakshmi Priya, fantastic. Lakshmi Priya is saying yes, yo sir, we'll go. Lakshmi Priya has given the bell. Okay, let's go guys, let's get started. The first thing is, I gave you a homework and you know what? This is what I'm going to teach today. That's the irony. That's the irony. Okay, that's the irony of this class, because this was supposed to be taught last class, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do it today. Got it? So please listen carefully. I'm still happy that many of you are able to solve it. Many of you got the answer as option B. Fantastic. So let's get started, people. What is tan of 225? Tan of 225, I can write it as tan of 180 plus 45. I'm sure everybody is cool with that. And similarly, cot of 405, I can write it as cot of 360 plus 45. Okay. And then tan of 765, I can write it as tan of 720 plus 45. And cot of 675, I can write it as cot of 720 minus 45. Is that okay? Everybody cool with that? So now tan of 180 plus 45. 180 plus 45 will lie in the third quadrant because this is 180, this is 45. So 180 plus 45 is third quadrant. Third quadrant means it will be positive, and 180 plus something means tan will remain tan only. I taught you this in sine. When I taught you sine and cos, I told you whenever you have an integral multiple of pi, that is 180 into 1, 180 into 0, 180 into 2, 180 into 3 and so on, then you will have the same trigonometric ratio coming down. Okay, so that will be tan of 45 only into, this will be what? Cot of 360 plus 45. What is cot of 360 plus 45? Cot of 360 is what? Cot of 2 pi plus 45. So that will be in which quadrant? 360 degrees is this. 45 is in the first one. Got it? So 360 plus 45 is gonna be what? Cot of 360 plus 45 is gonna be cot 45 only. Are you all clear with that? So if you do not know this, don't worry, I'll teach you today. I will teach you today. After today's class, this will be a laddu. This will be a piece of cake. Similarly, tan of 720. Tan of this 720 is 4 into 180. So it is an integral multiple of pi. Whenever it is integral multiple of pi, the same trigonometric ratio will remain and the angle will be 45, but I have to put plus or minus. Where does this lie? This lies in first quadrant again because 720 is 2 complete revolution. 720 plus 45 will be in first quadrant. So in first quadrant it is positive, so I leave it as such. Into, this will be what? 720 minus 45. 720 minus 45 will be in the fourth quadrant because 720 means double revolution, minus 45 means I have to come back side, so it will be in the fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant cot is negative, so it will be minus of 720 is an integral multiple of pi, so that is 4 into 180. So cot will remain cot only, so it will be cot of 45. So are you all clear? So it will be 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. That's the answer. So it is 1 plus minus 1. That's why answer is 0. Did you like it? Are you all able to see that? Are you all able to see that? Selva Kumari, ASTC, because first quadrant all of them are positive. Second quadrant sine is positive. Third quadrant tan is positive. Fourth quadrant cos is positive. Okay. Are you all cool with it? Fantastic. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Very good, Abhishai. That's fantastic. So let us look at who all have answered it correctly. And Sharon, this time I checked it myself. Your comment was not there. I don't know why. Okay. Sharon, if you commented it, I don't know why it is not showing. Please check it because today I checked it myself because you told me yesterday your comment was not included, right? I don't know why it's happening. Please check it from your side whether you're blocked or there's some other issue. So people, the ninjas who did it correctly, I'm going to call out your names. Please let us all applaud all these people because I love students who take the homework seriously. I love people who actually put effort, some sincere energy into it because we teachers are taking a lot of effort, right? We are making these slides, we are preparing it, and we are coming here, interacting with all of you, making you learn small bits and pieces every day so that you like the journey, so that you enjoy the process. Okay, so I want you to make an effort to answer the questions every day. Got it? So Naren Sundar, Shruti, Selva Kumari, Lakshmi Narashiman, then we have Siranjeevi Sujai, fantastic Siranjeevi Sujai, Aditya Ram, Rakshit, Riaz, fantastic Riaz. Riaz is also regular. Then we have Rishita, fantastic. Teja Swarup, Avantika, Mugil Selvan, Siva Ganesh, Harshini, Bismita, Abhishai. Very good, Abhishai. Your comment was not there. Okay. I'm not saying that simply. I really did check. Okay. So maybe there's some issue. There's some technical issue. So please check what happened or else use a different account, Sharon. If you want to show that you answered, use a different account. Okay. Maybe your old account has some problem. Okay. So guys, shall we get started? Are you all ready? Everybody? Vishesh, please don't spam, man. You will get blocked in this account also. Please do not spam. Don't spam. I don't want you guys to keep saying the same thing. Vishesh, do chat with this account, man. Like, the channel moderator is different for different classes. Please don't spam the chat, Vishesh. Okay, so I want to tell that to my class students. Guys, don't come to YouTube from Drishti batch to say spam stuff. Don't say that, please, because it distracts me from my session. I want you to realize that. Okay, so please don't keep saying the same thing, Vishesh. Vishesh, how many times did you comment, man? Did you type the same message 20 times? 25 times? 30? 35? 40? It's okay, man. 40 times you commented, right? People saw it. So don't do it too much. It distracts the teacher. Okay, I see every chat. In our channel, we are not a 10 lakh channel, right? We are just a 50,000 channel. So I can see everybody's chat. So please don't keep doing it again and again. That kind of distracts me, right? I keep seeing it. And that is not my job, man. Your account got blocked means should I come and I should leave trigonometry. I should call moderator now. So can I call him right now and talk to him? Come on, guys. Everybody, you should realize that. I am here to teach. Okay, so please realize that, guys, spam is something which really disturbs the class. So please don't do that. Okay, I generally don't get disturbed by these things, but I wanted to tell it. Okay, I wanted to tell it because it gets out of hand sometimes. So please understand, don't spam the chat too much. If you send it once, I see it. If I don't reply, that means I don't care about it. Got it? That's not my problem. If I don't reply, that's not my problem. If it is a serious issue, I will reply to you. Got it? So please do that, everybody. Great. So people, let's get started. So today we will be continuing with set, relation, sequence and series, quadratic. All these topics have already been covered in YouTube, right? So we have done all of that over here. Now we are looking at a very important topic. We are looking at trigonometry. So in trigonometry so far, I have covered sine and cos completely. I have taught you how to draw the graph. I have taught you how to find out the period. I have taught you how to find out the value of sine and cos for every angle. Whatever angle you are given, you guys now know how to find out what is the value of it. Are you all clear? Fantastic. So now today I'm going to continue with tan and cot. Exactly, Abhishai. Hello Monisha. Hello Selva Kumari. Fantastic. Vanshika, great. So today, exactly. So today I'm going to continue with tan and cot. I'm going to show you how to find the values for any angle. For any angle. I'm going to teach you a very simple method so that all of you are comfortable. Then we will do some questions and from there we will take it forward. Okay? Great. So people, today's objective is allied angles for tangent and cotangent, graph of tangent function, then we will do some problems, then graph of cotangent functions. So these are the various categories of questions that we will be doing today. Got it? Everybody? Great. So people, let's get started. Let's get started. Now, like the last class, which I did for sine and cos, I'm going to give you two techniques which you can use for finding any angle of tan and cot. Okay, so let me teach you in a very simple manner. Listen carefully. Whenever you have tan of any integral multiple of pi plus or minus theta, it will be equal to either plus or minus tan of theta. Are you clear? It will be equal to either plus or minus tan of theta. Yes, Manan, welcome man, welcome. Hello Neeraj, welcome Neeraj. So now I can also say tan of n into 180 plus or minus theta. Okay, so that is going to be what? Plus or minus tan of theta. So guys, whenever you have an integral multiple of 180, see pi means what? Pi is 180 degree. I hope everybody knows what is pi. Pi is 180 degree. Pi means radians. Everybody cool with it? Now 180 can be written as pi plus or minus theta. If you have, then the trigonometric ratio will not change. So tan will remain tan. Similarly for cot also. For cot also, you'll have cot of n into pi plus or minus theta, or cot of 180 into pi, 180 into n plus or minus theta. So both of these values will be cot of theta with a plus or minus sign. This will also be plus or minus cot of theta. So you see, whenever you have n pi plus or minus theta, the trigonometric ratio will always remain the same. Did I teach you that in sine and cos? Did I teach you that in sine and cos also? In sine and cos also, the trigonometric ratio will remain the same. But only plus or minus you have to do. How will you put plus or minus? By checking where this angle lies, this whole angle. You check where this whole angle lies, depending on that you put the sign. So if this whole angle lies in third quadrant, then tan will be positive. I'll choose plus. Guys, you cannot put plus or minus. It should be either plus or minus. It cannot be both. It cannot be both. Are you all clear? You should either choose plus or you should choose minus. You cannot put both of them. I hope all of you are clear with it. Everybody clear? Fantastic. Same way for cot as well. So check where this angle will be positive, and that place it will be plus, otherwise it will be minus. So let me give you some examples. Let's try to do it. So let's say you have cot of 330. Can you guys find out its value? Everybody, cot of 330 by using whatever I taught you right now. By using whatever method I taught you, I want everybody to find out what is cot of 330. Can you all do that? Come on people, everybody. All of you go for it. Everybody please go for it, guys. Very good, very good. Fantastic. No Zayed. Zayed, 290 plus 45 is not 330. Please check it. No Sharon, please check it, Sharon. That's not correct. Selva Kumari is absolutely right. Selva Kumari, you are awesome, but there's a small mistake in sign. In sign, you made a mistake. Dev, very good, Dev. Harihara Sudan, small mistake. Dev is correct. Teja Swarup is correct. Kaushika, small mistake, Kaushika, check it. Very good, Zayed. Zayed, now you are right. Very good. Shweta, it is minus root 3. So guys, the answer is minus root 3. So how do I solve it, sir? Let me explain it. Are you all ready? Everybody cool with it? So let's look at it, how to solve it. So you have cot of 330, right? So I can write cot of 330 as what? I can write as cot of 360 minus 30. Okay? I can write as cot of 360 minus 30. So that will be equal to what? That will be equal to cot of 330. So cot of 330 is equal to what, guys? Cot of 330 is nothing but, can you guys help me with that? 360 minus 30. So 360 minus 30 will be equal to 2 into 180 minus 30. So does it look like cot of n into 180 minus theta? So whenever you have cot of n into 180 minus theta, it will be plus or minus cot theta. I am using the formula. So this will be just plus or minus cot 30. But how do I choose plus or minus? Depending on where it lies. So 330 will lie in the fourth quadrant. So in the fourth quadrant, cot is negative. So if it is negative, I'll put minus. Did you like it? Was it easy? Shweta, very good Shweta, fantastic. I hope you guys got it. Selva Kumari, fantastic. I'm glad you guys tried it and I'm so happy that you're all able to follow it to a certain extent. Everybody, shall we proceed? You guys are all ready? Great. Sundar Chasir, very good Sundar, that's absolutely right. Kaushika, Shweta, Dev, you guys are awesome. So that is what we have here. So these are the allied angles which I'm going to show you. Okay. So 180 minus theta means it will be in second quadrant. Theta means first quadrant. 180 plus theta means third quadrant. Then you'll have minus theta means fourth quadrant. So if it is minus theta, since it is in fourth quadrant, you will get all these relations. So Are all these relations easy to follow now? Are all these relations easy to follow now? Everybody? Are you guys cool with it? Yes, Sharon. Sharon, you can do that also. But Sharon, why are you using this method, Sharon? See, Sharon is asking, sir, cot of 330, why did you write it like cot of 360 minus 30, sir? Why can't you write 180 plus 150? That is also correct, Sharon. But the point is, you want to find the value at last, na? You want to find the value at last. That is your objective. Now, if you write 180 plus 150, it will be equal to what? It will be cot of 150, right? Because I told you always assume this as theta. Cot of 180 plus theta. I told you, think of this as always acute angle. Think of this as always acute angle. So cot of 180 plus theta is what? Cot of 180 plus theta is cot theta only. So it will be cot 150. But Sharon, do you know 150 value? If you know, great. If you don't know, again you have to find out. Oh, 360 is it? Yes. 360 minus 30 or 180 plus 150. Are you all clear? Everybody cool with it? Yes, Temina, you can do that also, Temina. I'll come to that. There are multiple ways of doing it. So this is also correct, what Sharon asked. But the thing is, 150 you should know. If you don't know, again you have to simplify. Again you have to write this as cot of 180 minus 30. Then that will be what? Minus cot 30. So that will be equal to what? Minus root 3. Am I getting the same answer? Sharon, am I getting the same answer? Everybody cool with it? Did you like it? Fantastic. Now, Kaushika is asking. So guys, any doubt in this slide, you ask me, I'll derive it. You ask me, I'll derive it. Any doubt in this slide? So Kaushika is asking, sir, how, sir, tan of minus theta, how is it equal to minus tan theta, sir? How is it equal to minus tan theta, sir? Can you please explain it? So let me explain it. Listen carefully. So I can write this as Kaushika. I can write this as tan of 0 into 180 minus theta. So it is of the form tan of integral multiple of 180 minus theta. Because 0 is also an integer. So it is integral multiple of 180 minus theta. Whenever you have integral multiple of 180 minus theta, it is equal to tan theta with a plus or minus sign. Now, minus theta, where does it lie? It lies in the fourth quadrant. Minus theta will be clockwise fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant, we know it is negative, right? Tan is negative. So that's why minus tan theta. Did you like it? Good evening, Riaz. Riaz, this is the very first slide. So you will follow Riaz, don't worry. You did not miss many things. Abhishai, I will start coordinate geometry. So guys, you know what I'm planning to do? I'm planning to do one shot series. Do you think that is better? So one day I'll come, I'll teach one topic fully for 2 to 3 hours. Because I think every day doing bit, people are not coming to classes. So I feel let's do it for 2-3 hours one day and I'll finish off one full topic. I think that is what will work better. Instead, I'll create more interactive sessions. I want to get to know you. I want to talk to you. Motivation sessions. I'm planning more of that. And teaching I will do in one shot. Don't you think that will be a better idea? Will you all like that? Because people, one thing you have to understand, whatever I do, it's for you only. Okay, don't be upset that I scolded some people in the chat. It is just that sometimes, like, teachers also go through problems, man. Like, for me, I am upset that my voice is not getting better. I want to talk well, I want to teach well. So I'm having that problem in my mind. And people are continuously spamming, so that upset me. That's why I told them don't do that. Okay, so I want to do what is best for you, but give me some time. Got it? We will plan one shot series very soon so that all of you can come here and be a part of this session. Okay, great. Actually, I can do that. Aleem Saja, I am better now, man. My voice is not completely all right. I don't know why. I don't have cold, I don't have fever, I don't have anything, but my voice is not good. So I'm trying to get over it, but till then, please adjust, guys. I'll talk a bit soft, okay? Piyush Rai, welcome, man. Drink water. Yes. Exactly. I'll do that, Shweta. for physics and chemistry also. Because see, for teachers, the biggest encouragement, you can think that it is wrong, sir, you should not expect crowds, sir. But for teachers, that is the biggest motivation, guys. See, I can only speak the truth. If 30 people, 40 people are watching, but if 300 people are watching, definitely you will see a difference. Have you seen that? Have you seen that? It happens, guys. When you have more students, the energy of the teacher automatically goes up. Automatically. It is not because we don't care when 40 people are there. We also teach well. Here now you have 40 people, but I'm trying to explain every single step, right? Every single thing I'm explaining. So it is not that I don't want to teach, but the energy will be very high when people are there. Got it? So that I want you to do. So that is why we are coming up with one shot series. Maybe that will help you a lot. Got it? Great. Exactly. So people, shall we move forward? So Kaushika, I hope I cleared it out. Anybody else? Any doubt? Exactly. Adish, totally man. Yes. Welcome Adish. Hello Master Irfan. Welcome. Yes. Aleem Saja. I will teach maths for complete JEE as well as NEET. Whatever maths you need for NEET, I will teach that also. So no doubt guys, shall I move forward? Hello Vanshika. Harshini, welcome Harshini. Dev, very good Dev. Shweta has understood, great. Tyagarajan, welcome man. Nidhi, no problem Nidhi, welcome. I'm so happy that you made it. No maths in NEET. NEET you have maths, okay? Logarithms, calculus, all of that is math only, no? That much math I'll teach you. That is what I'm saying. Okay, cool. Guys, in NEET you have maths, what are you saying? That much math you need, nah? Who will teach you that? Shimon sir has to do that. Okay, hello Varshini. Varshini, nice to see you. So people, next formula. So that formula is clear. Integral multiple of pi plus or minus theta is clear. Now what I'm going to teach you is, I'm going to teach you tan of odd multiple of pi by 2. Odd multiple of pi by 2 plus or minus theta. And I'm going to teach you tan of odd multiple of 90. Okay, I'm teaching you in both degree as well as radians so that you don't get confused. Odd multiple of 90 plus or minus theta. So both of this will be what? It will be equal to, tan will now change. Whenever you have odd multiple of pi by 2, it will change to what? It will change to what? Tan will change to cot. Okay, tan will change to cot. So it will become cot of theta with a plus or minus. Did you all like it? Adish, you can watch the replay. I also would love to have you, man. But no worries. Vedantu class is more important. So you watch the replay. Got it? Very good Lakshmi. Very good Dev. Abhishek. Very good Abhishai. Fantastic. Yes. Aleem Saja. I will do that. Definitely. Riyaz, you can put 2n minus 1 also, Riyaz. Riyaz, you can put 2n minus 1 also. That is also correct. No problem, Riyaz. It's totally fine. The point is, it should be an odd integral multiple of pi by 2. Got it? Are you all clear? Fantastic. Exactly. So Shweta, today we'll practice a lot of questions. Don't worry. Are you all clear with it? No doubts. Similarly, let's do it for cot also. Let's do it for cot and then we will practice. Okay? And then we'll practice. Then we'll all practice together. So now we have cot of, let's say, 2n plus 1 pi by 2 plus or minus theta. Got it? Are you all clear? Then you'll have cot of, let's say, 2n plus 1 into 90 plus or minus theta. So both of these formulas, now cot will change to what? Now cot will change to tan. Now cot will change to tan. Are you all clear? It will change to tan and it will become tan of theta. So in the front you just put plus or minus. In the front you just put plus or minus. Why plus or minus? Because wherever this lies, whichever quadrant this lies, depending on that I'll put either plus or minus. But guys, not both. Never both. It should either be plus or it should be minus. Never both. Now the best part is I'm going to teach you the same question. Let's find out the value of cot of 330. Now we wrote two combinations and we solved it. The same question. We wrote cot of 360 minus 30, we solved it by the previous method. We wrote 180 plus 150 and also we solved it. But somebody in the chat, Temina was saying, sir, can't we write it as 270 plus 60? Yes, you are right, Temina, you can do that. You can write that. Okay, very good, Dave. And odd integral means odd integers, Temina. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, so on. Odd integers. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, minus 9, minus 11, minus 13, minus 15, minus 17. So they are all called as odd integers, multiples of pi by 2. Got it? Hello, Ankit Kumar. Welcome, Ankit. Are you all clear? So now this will be what? This will be 3 into 90, Temina. 3 into 90 plus 60. So it is what? It is of the form cot of 2n plus 1. Odd number. 3 is an odd number, right? Odd number into pi by 2 plus theta. So that will be equal to what? That will be equal to plus or minus tan theta. So it will be, the answer will be plus or minus tan 60. But plus or minus I'll decide based on where it lies. So where does it lie? It lies on fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant, will it be plus or minus? It will be minus because cot, you have to look for cot. In cot, fourth quadrant is minus. So I'll put minus tan 60. So is the answer minus root 3? Did I get the same answer? Did I teach the same answer? Was it beautiful? Was it beautiful? Temina, n should not be odd, Temina. 2n plus 1 will be odd. Okay, so if you want to use this formula, Temina, you have to write 270 plus theta. So because 270 is an odd multiple of 90. Thank you, Ankit Kumar. Ankit, I'm so happy you are all enjoying and learning this. Very good. Fantastic. Chinmaya, I take micro courses and crash courses for the 12th standard. Shabna, welcome Shabna. Very, very happy to see you here. MJ Music, finally, I'm so happy you made it, man. Welcome to this particular session. I'm just teaching you how to find out allied angles for tan and cot. Allied angles for tan and cot. Are you all ready? Shall I proceed? Everybody? Kaushalya, welcome Kaushalya. Hello Shaktivel, thank you so much, man. I am happy that you are enjoying the videos. Great. Kalyani, no Kalyani, I can see your messages. Okay. Exactly, Talapati Giri. I know, man. Tummy has reduced, right? Shouting. Whatever I'm eating is going out. Great. So, brilliant people. So, shall we move forward? Any other doubt here? Can you go through all of them? Kaushika, any other people who are bold enough to ask doubts from this slide? Anything else you want me to derive? Please let me know. Everybody, sign we should see for tan or cot. Good question. Sharon, you have to see for the original one, cot. For the question what we have, cot 330, na? That sign you have to check. Is that okay, Sharon? I hope you are clear. Thank you, Abhishek. Abhishek, I'm doing all that, man. So the problem, right, what I have, today only I checked it in Google. So I have something called as so today only I checked it in Google. So it is not horse voice. It is not horse, okay? Horse will make a different sound. So I have this problem. So it's because of constant teaching. So I teach for, per day I teach for, let's say 5 to 6 hours. So I am using my voice too much. Okay, so I'm using my voice too much. That's why I have this issue. So I'm practicing Mauna Viradam after the class. I'm not talking to anybody. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to control my talking. I'm being very soft today. Okay. So guys, let's look at the next one. Why, sir, cot pi by 2 minus theta is tan theta? Okay, this one. So first of all, Kaushika, you have cot of 1 into pi by 2 minus theta, na? So 1 is an odd number. Odd multiple of pi by 2 means cot will become tan Kaushika, okay? And the angle will remain the same. You have to put plus or minus depending on where this lies. So where does this lie? Pi by 2 minus theta. Pi by 2 minus theta will lie in the first quadrant. So it lies in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, we know everything is positive. So it will be plus tan theta. Did you like it, Kaushika? Are you clear with it? Everybody? Great. Did you all like it? Agila, Agnishwar. Yes. Valimai update came, man. I heard they are going to start shooting on August 1st week. They're waiting for my birthday. Okay, so people, let's go forward. Let's go and solve some questions. Here we go. People, I hope you're all clear with it. Do you know Telugu? Maddineni Lakshmi, I know a little bit. I can speak badly, but I can understand fully. Because in IIT Madras, so I studied in IIT Madras, and I had a lot of friends. I had a lot of Telugu friends and Malayali friends. So from Kerala and Andhra, I had a lot of friends because my department was ocean engineering. My department was ocean engineering, naval architecture. So because of that, I had a lot of friends from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana and Kerala. Great. Very good. So people, let's continue. I hope you all liked it. So guys, these 3 points, you guys are convinced? Did you all like it? Allu Arjun is Telugu. Yes, Kalyani, you are right. Lot of Malayalis here. Meha of Kuti. Great. So a lot of my professors were from Kerala when I was in IIT. Great. Yes, Adish, thank you so much, man. I will do that. So I started doing a lot of things. I'm trying to get better. I'm talking very softly today. That itself is a big thing. Okay. Sanju Samson is Malayali. Yes, obviously, man. Great. What was your ambition? Naren, I just wanted to get into IIT, man. Like you, all of you guys. I didn't have any clear-cut ambition. But after that, after I got into IIT, I wanted to, apply for higher studies. I wanted to study in top US universities like MIT, UT Austin. And I got admits from few places. I got into UT Austin and I got a very good scholarship also, but not completely covered. US is expensive, right? You have to spend 40-50 lakhs. So I didn't have that much money. So I thought I should probably wait for some time. Then I was teaching when I was in college also. So then I was very interested. One of my friends suggested to try for a company. I went for the interview and then I got selected, and that's how I got into teaching. So teaching was something which I was always doing from my first year. So in IIT, usually students do that. From first year itself, they start teaching because there are many social work organizations, right? So something like Teach for India, Avanti. Have you guys heard of it? Avanti and Teach for India. So we used to go to all the, underprivileged schools, and we used to teach that for free. So like that we started, and because of that, one of my friend told me, why don't you try teaching only like that? Then I thought, okay, that is something good, I should try it. So that's how I got into it. So before that, I wanted to apply for higher studies. I wanted to go to US like everybody. And I got into good colleges because like I told you, in IIT, I was one of the toppers. So because of that, I got into good colleges. But then there was a decision. Should I go risking a lot of money and all that, or should I just wait and do what I like? Okay, so that's why I chose teaching. That's why I'm here. Great. So people, exactly. So Avanti fellows, Shivam sir is saying that. So Shivam sir is my SME in Vedantu. So he is the one who creates all these slides. You can see him there. Yes. Avanti is a very famous organization. They do all of these teaching stuff for, underprivileged students outside the city. Got it? So let's get going, guys. Let's get going. Everybody try to solve this. Brilliant. Thank you, Dev. That is so kind of you, man. Fantastic. Please say something in Malayalam. Guys, I am not very fluent in Malayalam. I know I can understand a little bit, but Telugu, I can speak a little bit. Okay, Malayalam is a bit difficult. I don't want to say something wrong. Okay. Thank you, Yashashwini. That is so kind of you. What is the minimum percentage required for NIT? Surya, if you want a good branch, at least 98, 99 you should have. 98, 99 you should have. Okay. Speak something in Telugu. I can talk something if you ask me. Meeru bagunara, Shridinath. Em chesnaru. ఇప్పుడు సాల్వ్ చేయి, తర్వాత మాట్లాడదాం. ఓకే, సో గైస్ లెట్స్ గెట్ స్టార్టెడ్. గ్రేట్. హలో ధనుష్, వెల్కమ్ మ్యాన్. After teaching, would you like to go to America? Guys, I have been to America many times. I have gone that twice. Okay, so I went for my internship. I went for a conference also. So America is not what I want, but that time when I was a student, I wanted to do my higher studies. But now I love teaching, man. I told you, right? That's my passion. That's something I enjoy. So no turning back. Only I want to become a better teacher every day. That's it. Meeku Vizag telsa, baga telsara. I've been there also. Vizag, then I have also been to Vijayawada, Hyderabad, and all these places. Okay, so people, let's solve it. What do we have here? Tan of 19 pi by 3. So this is equal to tan of 6 pi plus pi by 3. Got it? Are you all clear? Everybody? So did you all understand that? So this is what? This is tan of integral multiple of pi plus or minus theta. Whenever you have tan of integral multiple of pi plus or minus theta, it will be plus or minus tan of theta. Now 19 pi by 3 value will lie. 6 pi plus pi by 3. What is 6 pi? 6 pi is what? 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi plus pi by 3. So it's first quadrant. So first quadrant means plus tan pi by 3. Because first quadrant everything is positive. So plus tan pi by 3 means root 3 is the answer. So A is the correct answer. Did you like it? Everybody? Are you all happy with it? Very good, Riyaz. Beautiful, na? So guys, you should be very, 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 very happy and proud of this, because this usually people take lot of time to understand. People memorize 100 formulas. Did you see in NCERT? In NCERT, you will have how many pages? At least 5-6 pages of formulas. Have you seen that? 5-6 pages of formulas, different categories. But I just gave you 2 formulas which can take care of anything and everything. Got it? So with that, people, let's get going. Let's move to the next one. Okay. So this is the answer. I've attached the solutions. Let's do a few more questions, then we'll proceed. Okay? All of you guys, please do try to solve it. Everyone. Great. Selva Kumari, I'm so happy you guys understood it. Fantastic. Sharon, you have to see for 6 pi plus pi by 3. You have to check it for the entire thing. Hello, Vijay Lakshmi, fantastic. Rudra, welcome Rudra. So Sharon, you have to see for the entire thing. 6 pi plus pi by 3. Together Sharon. Got it? Chennaya, Kannada, I don't speak, man. I lived in Bangalore for 1 year, 2 years. But I did not learn Kannada, man. Because in Bangalore, it is a mixed crowd. You have everybody in Bangalore. Bangalore is like a true cosmopolitan city. Like you have people from everywhere. You have Malayalis, you have North Indians, you have South Indians, you have everywhere. West, East, everybody works. So usually in Bangalore, English works. Exactly. In Bangalore, Hindi or English is what we use. We don't speak in Kannada usually. You lived everywhere. So I have lived in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, majorly. Okay. Exactly. So people, let's try to solve it. What is the answer? People, are you all ready? First of all, what is cot of minus theta? Cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. So can I say this question is equal to minus of cot 15 pi by 4? Is everybody okay with that? No problem with that? All of you cool with it? Let's go step by step. Let's go step by step so that I don't confuse anybody. I want to teach it in a beautiful manner that everybody can follow. Are you all cool? Boys and girls? Fantastic. You guys are amazing, man. So now let's solve cot of 15 pi by 4. Let's leave the minus one. Okay. So now I can write this as cot of, let's say, 4 pi minus pi by 4. Are you all okay with that? Did you all like that? Everybody? Fantastic, na? So easy. So easy. Hello, Siranjeevi. Welcome, man. So nice to see you, Siranjeevi. Welcome, welcome. I'm happy to have you here. Great. Yes, yes, Aleem Saja. You are right, Aleem. Aleem, fantastic. That is why this property works, Aleem. Very good, Temina. Temina, I'm so happy you are liking it. Okay. So what is cot of 4 pi minus theta? It is of the form cot of n pi minus theta. So that will be equal to what? That will be equal to plus or minus cot of theta. So it will be plus or minus cot of pi by 4. Now plus or minus, how do I choose? Depending on where it lies. So 4 pi minus pi by 4. So 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi minus pi by 4. So it will be in fourth quadrant. So if it is in fourth quadrant, I will choose negative because cot is negative. So it will be minus cot pi by 4, which will be minus 1. So answer is what? Minus of cot 15 pi by 4 is minus 1. So it will be minus of minus 1. So the answer is plus 1. So the answer is option B. Did you like it? Was it good? Everybody? Nikhil, thank you so much, Nikhil. I'm so happy you liked it. Great. Siranjeevi is late. Yes, man. Avisha is complaining. Great, great, great. Triambak, that's fantastic, Triambak. Keep going. I hope you achieve your target. You can get into NIT Trichy. Very good, man. Sushil Sharma, welcome, Sushil. No riddle today. Of course not. Riddles are always there. You asked for it, I give it. Okay, who is that? Selva Kumari, your timing is next level. Your timing is next level. Okay, very good, Shweta. Very good. Brilliant, Abhishai. Sharon, just simple addition. I find the nearest multiple and then I try to simplify. So 15 by 4 is 4 minus 1 by 4, right? So you have to find the nearest multiple and then do it. Got it? Are you all clear? Everybody please do it, guys. Come on. You guys are next level. Dev, riddle OP, great. Hello Siddharth, welcome Siddharth, nice to see you. So people, what is the answer? Everybody is so sharp, man. Everybody is so sharp. The answer is R. Because what is seen in the middle of March, R, and April, R, but it cannot be seen at the beginning or end of month, either month. So beginning and end, it is not there, right? So it's going to be R. So the letter R is the answer. I hope you liked it. Okay. So it was an easy one. So thank God Sanvi is not here. If Sanvi was here, she'll say, sir, bring a better question, sir. What are you doing? Great, great, great. I am pretty bad at riddles. Rudra, don't worry, man. Riddles are for fun, not to demotivate you. It is just to, refresh your mind so that you can enjoy the process of learning. Got it? Great. So people, bring a good one. Shweta is continuing Sanvi's job, reminding me to bring a better one. Great, great. We are ultra legends. I know, man. My students, right? So I can expect that. Cool. So people, this is the pro subscription at Vedantu where I teach. So if you want to be in my class, guys, you can try it for 1 month. Dev, the session is not over. Don't think you can escape from me that easily. The session, you have to bear my torture for some more time. So please wait for some more time and then we'll leave. Got it? So guys, if you want to be a part of my class, Drishti C or any batch in Vedantu, you can join us. The price is just 2,700. What do we give? We give you live interactive classes. Every day we have classes, guys. Every day. You sit at your home, I'll be in my home, and we will interact with each other real time. Real time. Okay? and that would be awesome, right? You get Tattva material, you get doubt solving, you get regular test series. Regular test series means what? Every 2 weeks you have JEE Mains and JEE Advanced test. JEE Mains and JEE Advanced test. So you'll have JEE Mains test every 2 weeks and JEE Advanced also. Room tour, home tour. I'm thinking of doing that. I'm also thinking of doing one more video, life of a teacher. I think you guys should know that so that you can be more empathetic. I'm planning to do that, really, because I want to show what a teacher goes through. That would be next level, right? Then you'll all cry, sir, I don't want to become a teacher, sir. Exactly. So people, this is what we offer in Vedantu. So in case you guys are interested, you can definitely join us. So I also teach here in Pro subscription, and guys, like I told you, it is just 2,700 for 1 month. You can try it. Maybe if you like it, you can continue. Okay. So let's get going, boys and girls. Let's see how to make the graph of tan and cot. Let's see how to make the graph of tangent and cotangent. Okay. Thank you, Neha. That is so kind of you. Let us learn, guys. That is the last topic. So today's topic is very simple, very short. I'll complete it in next 15-20 minutes. Okay. Last topic, just graph of tan and cot. Very important. Okay. Let's go into it. Everybody, please listen carefully. How do you plot it? Okay. You plot it by taking random values. Okay. So first what I'll do, I know tan 0 is 0. Okay. So we want to plot tan theta in y-axis and theta in the x-axis. So we know tan 0 is 0. So tan 0 is 0. We know tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. We know tan 45 is 1. And we know tan 60 is root 3. And we know tan 90 is equal to, tan 90 tends to infinity. Tan 90 is not defined. It tends to infinity. Okay. So guys, at 90 it is not defined. Okay. You have dot dot dot. Dot 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 because it is not defined. Nothing is there. Because infinity can never be reached. Infinity can never be reached. Got it? So people, please remember, the domain of tan theta is all real numbers except odd multiples of pi by 2. So whenever you have a multiple of pi by 2, you see that whenever you have an odd multiple of pi by 2, you see that the function will not be defined. Got it? And this is how the graph looks like. Blue color graph. Because 0 is 0. Pi by 6 it is 1 by root 3. 45 pi by 4 it is 1. 60 it's root 3, and it keeps going like that. So if you join all of these points, this is the behavior of tan. Did you all like it? So what is the period of tan? What is the period of tan? The period of tan x is equal to pi. I taught you this in the last class. Can you see that? Because this 0 to pi keeps repeating, na? Or minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, it keeps repeating. Can you see that? So that is why the period is pi. Are you all cool with it? Everybody? Great. Everybody? Fantastic. Are you going to USA? No flight, man. If I go, I can go to Chennai airport and come back. No flight nowadays. What are you saying? And no, man, I'm a teacher at Vedantu. I love this. So I am right now here. I'm enjoying my life. So I don't want to change anything. Okay. Cargo only. Exactly. I can go as Amazon parcel. They'll be like, what is this? This parcel is very heavy. This parcel is shaking a lot. Okay. So guys, let's come back to this topic and we'll try to plot it. So this is the graph of tan x. Okay. Hi Anish. Welcome, man. Sanskriti, welcome. How to remember cot x graph? I'll teach you. Very easy, Dhanush. So now I want to answer one very important question. Many of you are asking, right? Sir, tan x period is pi, sir. Okay. Very good, sir. Very good. Awesome. Legendary. But mod of tan x, will it be pi by 2, sir? Let's check it. So if I put modulus, this branch will become like this. This branch will become like this. Are you all clear? Whatever is negative will become ulta. So this will not be there. Whatever is negative will become ulta. Are you all clear? So it will be like that. So is the period pi by 2? Nope. It will still be pi. Pi, 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 and so on. So the period of tan is going to be pi only, even if you take modulus. Chiranjeevi? No, Chiranjeevi. I did not say that. I told only for sine and cos it will become half. Only for sine and cos, when you put modulus, the period will become half. But for tan and cot, I told you I'll explain it. That's why I'm explaining it now. I told you don't say that. I'll explain it today, and I did explain it now. So don't say that. For tan, just because you put modulus, it will not become half. It will be same pi only. It will be same pi only. I hope you guys are clear. Shall I move forward? Do you all like it? Is it important to remember the graph of tan and cot? For JEE Advanced, yes. JEE Mains, not so much, but it's better you remember. It's better you remember. Meaning of range. Neeraj, range means the set of y values taken. The set of y values taken. So the y values taken are what? From minus infinity all the way to plus infinity. So all the values are taken, right? That's why the range of tan x is all real numbers. The range of tan x is all real numbers. Because you see the blue color graph. Let's forget the red now. See the blue color graph. It goes from minus infinity all the way up to plus infinity. So minus infinity to plus infinity means what? All real numbers is covered. Are you all clear? Yes. For mains, knowing the graph, okay. I wouldn't say very necessary, especially inverse trigonometric graph. But trigonometric graph, it is needed, guys. So I would recommend you to study it. Okay. Yeah, I would recommend you to study it. But yeah, if you find it very hard, maybe cosecant, secant, you don't have to totally remember it. See, if you don't remember graph, you should know at least range and domain. Okay, you should know range and domain. You should know how to find out values. If both you have a problem, then gone. Then God only can help. Then you have to say Jai Mata Di. Okay, so either you should know the values, you should know how to find out any given range, domain, that is okay. Because when I studied, I don't think I really remembered how to plot cosecant and secant and all. I did not pay attention. But if you ask me to plot, okay Shimon, go and plot secant and cosecant, I would have thought about it and I would have plotted it correctly. So I know how to plot, but I did not remember the graph. So that is fine. That is fine. I hope you understand. That's what I meant by saying that no need to mug the graph up. No need to mug the graph, but if you know how to derive it, cool. That's enough. Got it? Exactly. So Shivam sir is saying, right? So like that, you need to know the limits. So from minus infinity to plus infinity, that is the range. What is the domain? Like that, if you know all these information, that is more than enough. Great. So this is the period. I already told you that. So now let's look at cortex graph. Dhanush was saying, sir, can you please tell me cortex graph? So guys, this is cotangent. It is not tan. So please correct it. It is cotangent. Okay. It is cortex graph. So now, like tan, I'll plot the values. Cot 0 will tend to infinity. Cot 30 is equal to root 3. Cot 45 is equal to 1. And cot 60 is equal to 1 by root 3. Cot 90 is 0. So like that, cot 0 is what? It tends to infinity. So 0 plus will be plus infinity. 0 minus will be minus infinity. 0 minus is minus infinity. 0 plus is plus infinity. And 30 is root 3. So 30 is root 3. 45 is 1. 60 is 1 by root 3. 90 is 0. So like that, it keeps falling. Plot all those points and then mark them. Got it? So Dhanush, you plot those points. Then the behavior, Dhanush, 0 plus will tend to infinity. Pi also will tend to infinity. But 0 to pi, cot is positive. Huh? Is it positive? No. 0 to pi by 2 it is positive. Pi by 2 to pi it's negative. Because 0 to pi by 2 first quadrant everything is positive. But pi by 2 to pi second quadrant cot will be negative. So pi by 2 to pi you see negative, it's coming down. So these are all the information which you should have. So everybody can plot the graph. You guys are aware of it. You just have to use that information. Got it? You just have to use that information. Okay, are these values x in degree? No, Sharon, it is in radians. Can't you see the pi here? Minus 2 pi, minus pi, 0, pi, 2 pi. It is in radians, Sharon. Usually in 11th and 12th, we use radians. We don't use degrees. Degrees up to 10th standard only. 11th and 12th, always radians. So please download the session PDF, go through it later on. Replica of tan? No, Riyaz, tan goes like this. Tan goes like this, whereas cot goes like that. So it is opposite. It is opposite. Like a bottle, you remember. Like a bottle. So olden days we used to have a Fanta bottle. You remember? It looks like that bottle. It used to be like this. So like that, one side is tan, the other side is cot. Are you all cool with it? Everybody? Great. So with that, people, let's go to the next one. Everybody solve it, guys. These are all some very interesting questions. I want all of you to do it. Replica means copy, duplicate of tan. So Riaz was saying, sir, is the graph of tan a replica of cot? No, man. Because tan graph will go like this. This is the graph of tan. Whereas the graph of cot will go like this. So it is not replica, it is actually the mirror image. You can say that. The mirror image. The single unit, right? It looked like this for cot. It looked like that for tan. And it keeps repeating. Okay? That is what I wanted to show you. I hope you guys are clear. Hello, Meghna Chaudhary. Welcome, Meghna. Sir, where are you teaching live now? I am teaching from Chennai. Very good, Selva Kumari. Yes. We'll meet again in the next class. Kritika, very good. Avantika, very good. Let's check. So boys and girls, we are given cos theta and we are asked to find tan theta. So first of all, cos theta means what? Cos theta means base by hypotenuse. So this will be root of 1. Is that correct? By Pythagoras theorem. Because let's say this is equal to x. So you will get x square plus root 5 square is equal to root 6 square. So you will get x is equal to 1. Got it? So that's what I wrote. Now, the same theta, I want to find tan. So tan theta we want. What is tan theta? Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So it is 1 by root 5. But I have to put the sign. Which sign? It is in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant tan is negative. So it is minus 1 by root 5. I hope you guys got it. Are you all able to understand? Abhishai, after the chapter is over. After the chapter is over. Got it? Very good. Fantastic. Very good, Sundar. Very good, Devendra, Siranjeevi. You guys are awesome. Avantika, Katuri, Vanshika. Fantastic. Sharon, practice, Sharon. Practice. NCRT is a very good material. NCRT is so easy. Exactly. Danush, you are right 100%. So guys, take NCRT. Download NCRT from website. It is for free. Make that interest come from within. That fire should come from within. How you like to order pizza suddenly, like that. Suddenly you will be like, today I'm craving pizza. I have to order it. I have to get it from Swiggy. And we get it, right? We torture our parents. We'll be like, today I want to eat non-veg. Today I want to eat pizza. Like that. So that interest you have, right? That should come for solving also. That should come for solving questions also. Okay, I hope that happens. If that happens, then there's no stopping you. You will be legend. You will all be legendary. For sure. Sir, Zoom classes are boring. I told you, no. Vedantu's classes are next level, man. Because we invested a lot of energy. You know who created this? You know who created the Vedantu platform? We have computer engineers from IIT Bombay leading the team. There are computer engineers from IIT Bombay who lead the team. They are the ones who create the platform in Vedantu for you. Crazy, isn't it? So what is the answer? So people, this is cot of 570. Cot of 570, my dear boys and girls, is equal to cot of 540 plus 30. Okay, so that is equal to cot of, it is 3 into 180 plus 30. So it is what? Cot of n pi plus 30. Is that correct, my dear boys and girls? So it is going to be cot of n pi plus 30 means it is going to be plus or minus cot 30. Because I told you, whenever you have n pi, whenever you have an integral multiple of pi, the sign will not change. The sign will not change. The same trigonometric ratio will be there. The trigonometric ratio will be the same. What is the sign? Plus or minus? That you will choose based on where this angle lies. So this is 3 pi plus 30. 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 30. So it will be in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, it is positive. So plus cot 30 is the answer. So the answer is plus root 3. So plus root 3 is option D. You guys are awesome, man. Everybody. Tyagarajan, Vanshika, Devendra, Meghana, Teja. Teja, you have to check it. Small mistake. Sundar, Siranjeevi, Sharath. Sharath, we'll have today at 6 o'clock. Today at 6 o'clock, we have a class. Avantika, Temina, Madhu, Sundar, Pallab. Yes, Pallab, I know, man. Today at 6 o'clock, we have a brilliant session. Make sure you guys come and attend it. Okay? Fantastic. So, boys and girls, I hope you all enjoyed the class today. So, will you all solve this and come? Can I expect maximum comments today? Can I expect maximum comments today? Yes, will you all do that? Everybody. Great, great, great. Dhanush, I have the mock test at 6 o'clock. Mock test. I have some brilliant questions coming up. So please make sure you come and attend it. So people, everybody, those who are following my classes regularly, if you want to come and attend my class at Vedantu, do you know that I teach in Vedantu? I hope all of you are aware of it. So guys, I also teach in Vedantu and I have a batch, Drishti C. If you want to join my batch, you can. You can join any batch in Vedantu. You have teachers who are all wonderful from IITs, from NITs, from BITS Pilani. They'll have such a good experience and it is fun to learn from them. Guys, you know COVID is going to be here for some time and you're going to study online. Online classes in Zoom, Google Meet. Do you think you like them? I have seen Zoom classes, guys. They are not as interactive as Wave platform. Okay, the Wave platform in Vedantu, we have live interaction happening. Okay, we can talk to you, we can ask you questions, we can see what you answer. That is a software which we developed. We developed that and we use it for teaching. Okay, so you can get that software, you get to be taught in that software. You get assignments every day. Whatever we teach you in Vedantu, every day when we teach something, based on that we will give you assignments. Every day if we teach something, based on that we will give you assignments. Same day. And every 2 weeks you will have test. JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. Many people think Vedantu is only for JEE Mains. Who told you that? We teach for advanced. We keep exams for advanced. Got it? So we do have such brilliant test series for all our students. Yes, on a Sunday, Dhanush, on a Sunday. So Sunday morning, JEE Mains, Sunday afternoon, JEE Advanced. Bala Bhaskar, thank you so much, man. That is so nice of you. You guys are awesome. So this is the preview. This is how Vedantu platform is. Sanjay, I'm so sorry, Sanjay. I did not see the messages, man. I'm sorry. You have been asking me for a long time. I'll reply, Sanjay. Okay, I feel bad now. I will reply to you. I think you have been asking for a long time. I will check your messages. Okay. So I will teach in English, guys, because I don't speak Hindi. My Hindi is not great. But if you are okay with English, you can come to my batch or you can join many batches. See, there are plenty of good teachers and I feel so bad. I feel bad because you guys know only me. But what about the other good teachers at Vedantu? There are so many good teachers in Vedantu whom you have to meet. I hope you do that, okay? Akash sir is there, Arvind Kalia sir is there, Amit sir is there, Surendra sir is there, Devendra sir is there, Aditya Bharadwaj sir is there. So many classy rock stars are there whom you don't know because they are not in YouTube. So I am lucky because I am in YouTube, you know me. Got it? Exactly. Harsh Baba is there. Okay. Abhishek sir is there for 9th and 10th. Vani ma'am is there. So this is where we teach. Got it? Harsh Maheshwari sir is there. Suri sir is there. Fantastic teachers you have. So I just wish that you meet all of them. Why do you think we produce results like this? Okay. Why do you think we produce results like this? We have 99.91, 99.96, 99.97. We produce results like this because we have teachers like that. When I wrote the exam, I got 99.95. And we have teachers who have done IIT Computer Science, IIT Electrical Engineering. Such high quality teachers you have. Exactly. Vikas sir is there. Absolutely. Sahil sir is there. So many good teachers. So if you like to be in such a program, guys, the price is just 2,700. It is just 2,700. You don't have to join 2 years. See, 54,000 for 2 years. How many of you feel it is too expensive? So that I can help you understand. See, 54,000 for 2 years means, that means for 1 month, it is 2,250. Do you know that? Can you take your calculator? Okay. Can you take your calculator and check what is the price per month? 53 by 24. Can you all do that? Are you all aware of calculations? Too expensive, Mega Sony says. Akshit, yes, you can join my batch, but the thing is, already 1 month are over, man. 1 month is over. So that is the problem. But there are new batches, Akshit. 5th July, there is a batch starting. So Akshit, there are English batches which start every week. Okay, so you can check that out as well. Hello Archana, welcome. Very good. So people, 54,000 means per month it is 2,250. So you can pay in EMI also, but that is only for those who are very sure. Sir, I want to know whether you will teach in this batch. Guys, I teach for 11th for 2 years. Yes, you can join my batch. But my batch started 1 month back. So 1 month you have to adjust. If you don't want to do that, you can join new batches where you'll have a different teacher. You can do that. And like I told you, lot of people are there, man. You have very good teachers. Great. So people, this is the 1 month trial, which is what I usually suggest my students. So what I usually tell students is, if you are interested, check 1 month, and maybe if you like it, then you can extend it. Okay. Then you can extend it. Are you all clear? Teja, my micro courses are always with pro subscription. You cannot come to my micro course without pro. But you can choose 1 month pro also, Teja. 1 month pro also you can choose. So 1 month pro is 2,700. If you join that, you can be in my batch for trial. Sir, I want to see how it Vedantu. Is it actually like what you're saying? Then you can try this trial, either light or classic or plus. Light means no doubt solving, no personal mentor. Classic means you will have doubt solving, no personal mentor. Pro plus means everything. That's why Pro plus is expensive. Ning enda academic la pachinga. Okay, so Max, I was in Fiji when I was in 2012, 11, 10, that time. Okay, 10 years back. Okay, that time it was offline, right? But now, online, I don't think nothing compares to Vedantu, man. I'm not saying that because I want to misguide you. I have been in multiple places, man. I know the quality of content. I know the quality of teachers. Like if you have that faith, if you believe in that, I would say check at least 1 month so that you don't miss out on this opportunity. That's it. So that you don't miss out on this opportunity. That's all I can say. See, because ultimately it's your choice. Okay. FIIT JEE was a good institute 10 years back when I was there in Chennai. People were extraordinary. In my batch, we had great results. But where it is now, is it comparable to Vedantu when it comes to online? That I cannot comment. You think about it. You will get the answer yourself. Just compare the teachers, what their qualifications are, and how the pricing is. You guys are smart, man. I don't have to, I don't have to misguide you or try to fool you. No, I'm not here for that. Got it? So I have given you everything. I teach here. This is the 1 month price. I would recommend you to probably check 1 month. I would recommend you to probably check 1 month. Okay? Great. And if you join for the entire year, okay, if you join for the entire year, then you get VIP promise. What is VIP promise? VIP promise is if you join Vedantu and if you don't improve, we will give you the money back. We will give you the entire money back. Got it? So we will refund the entire fees. I know it is crazy. It is crazy because this is just to show how confident Vedantu is. We know our teachers are rock stars. We know our content is next level. So automatically, if a student comes and attends my class, he will improve. He will improve. Got it? So this is the criteria. The only condition is you need to attend 75% of the class, 75% of the test. That's it. This is the condition. If you attend 75% of classes, 75% of test series, you are eligible for VIP. What is VIP? VIP is for 1 year students or 2 year students. You have to join 1 full year or you have to join 2 full years. Then if you don't improve after the end of 2 years, we will give you back the entire fee. Got it? Great. So people, Abhishek, no man. No. This is the crash course. So this is a crash course for 2021 batch. So if you are a JEE aspirant of this year, we have a crash course going on, which is going on from July 5th. It started on 5th July. It will be for 15 days. We'll complete the entire portion. Okay. We'll complete the entire portion for just 5,500. Again, it includes test series. It includes all the subjects. Guys, Vedantu is really doing a good job, guys. Okay. So I always speak very frank and honest. Okay. Of course, I can't say anything negative, but I'm trying to help you guys understand this opportunity. That's it. Because as a mentor, as a brother, or as a elder to you, I don't want you guys to regret later on. After 2 years, you should not say, sir, I should have tried Vedantu, sir. That nobody can do anything, man. I would say, okay, man, it's fine. Just be happy with what you are. But the thing is, when you have the opportunity, don't miss it. I'm not telling you to join the entire 2 years. I'm telling you at least try the 1 month thing. If you like it, maybe it can be a turning point. Okay, great. What is inside the bottle? Hot water. Throat ointment. Did you write FIIT JEE admission test? Yes, man. So I did very well. So I used to get All India rank 51, All India rank 50, All India rank 90. I used to get very good ranks. I got very good scholarship. But those were my days, man, 10 years back. Now VSAT is there. Check VSAT. Maybe you can get scholarship in VSAT also. Okay. Great. Exactly, Mad Max. It's very expensive. I know. But Vedantu that way is very reasonable, guys. Okay. So like I told you, the teachers are very high level. Because Vedantu's teachers, how many we have? We have almost like the top 11th and 12th teachers. We have only 60, 70 for the entire country. We have handpicked them. They are the best of the best. Okay. So you must have seen Arvind Kalia, sir. Such a wonderful teacher, man. You can just watch his lectures for hours and hours and hours. And you have teachers like Abhinav sir, Saurav sir, Shubhang sir for chemistry, Harsh Maheshwari sir. So many fantastic teachers. So check it out. Very good, Sanjay. Sanjay, I hope you liked it. Why don't you give DPP? So Manjunath, I am planning to change my approach, man, for 11th standard. I am planning to take one-shot sessions. So instead of doing regular series, I'm going to do one-shot sessions. I have changed it. So I asked students today. So after today, I will change my approach. Asmi, welcome Asmi. Welcome to Vedantu. You are from different place, I know. Are you a supporter or are you a hater? If you're a hater, I'm going to block you right away. Great, great, great. So people, so this is a test series. Vedantu test series is starting. Okay. And we will let you know the price. I think tomorrow the price will be out. It is starting from Monday. So this is for 2021 aspirants. Just to keep you informed, you have a test series coming up and it is only to boost your rank. It will be a computer based test. It will be exactly JEE Mains pattern. Exactly JEE Mains pattern. Okay. Fantastic. So with that, I think we'll conclude it. Right now the series, okay, it's already there, I think. So the link will be there in the description. I will show you how to access it. You guys can check it out. I think it was 2,500, but now it's 1,300. Guys, whichever you like, you choose it. If you have any doubt, message me here. This is my Instagram. My Instagram, I'm very active. Rank booster means it will increase your rank. Give a boost to your rank. Got it? So I will show you how to join it. Okay, guys. Vishesh, don't worry, man. I was not upset with you. Don't worry. Vishesh, don't worry about it. You are my student. I was just saying that people should not spam. Okay. It was not for you alone. It was for everybody. So don't feel bad. If you feel bad, I am telling you, it was not your fault. Okay. Great. So people, I'll show you how to join it in case you are interested. All you need to do is go to YouTube, click on the lecture and just come below the lecture. Just come below the lecture and check the link. So you have links here, right? Subscribe to Vedantu Pro. This is for 11th standard. So you see, this is the batch which I am teaching. You can try for 1 month. So you see, try for 1 month, it is 2,700. 2,700. Just click on it. So it will be 2,700. You can check it out. You see if you like it. 1 month you can join. If you don't like it, then you can continue in YouTube. I'll be here always. But at least try it for once. Okay. So guys, Instagram, like I told you, give me some time. I didn't reply to many people. Almost 100, 200 messages are left out. So I will reply to all of you guys. Give me some time. So like that, like I showed you right now, crash course link is also there. Test series link is also there. So whatever you like, you can join it and make sure you subscribe if you are new to this channel. Make sure you share the video to your friends, your juniors, your seniors, whoever can benefit from this channel. Okay. And also like the video, guys. Share is like Sharon. Mad Max, I know, man. Guys, don't be upset if I don't reply, guys. Please give me some time. I know I've been asking for a lot of time, but I'll try to reply it by this weekend. Okay. Because many people have not got reply from me yet. Sir, I will surely join Vedantu. Very good, Asmi. New student is joining today itself. Awesome. So guys, Asmi is from my batch. Okay. Asmi is not to be trusted easily. Okay. Great. Can't we join Crash for second time? Yes, you can, absolutely. You can if you want to have a complete coverage once again. Great. So people, with that we will conclude. I hope you all had fun. All the very best. I love you guys and I hope to see you all again at 6 o'clock. Half an hour break, go chill out and come back at 6 o'clock. Okay, bye-bye.